This is the phase 2 for the ADO.NET project. First, I'm gonna show the functionality of my program. In the main menu, I have 4 buttons: t-shirt form, customer form, dataset, and dataset image. Customer form, this is insert, update, delete customer information from the database. So if I insert a person, market place and Kent, Washington 98055, country US, phone number random number, and then email is glynette@yahoo.com. So this is inserting button, insert. It says personal information has been added to the database. When I look at it in my database, this is my database now. I have 3 person, Dawn, Cherry, Dawn, Claire, and then when I execute, I expect Glynette is here. So Glynette has been inserted. Now I want to I want to update Claire. So Claire form, and then I will research Claire. So this is Claire. I want to update the city to Mangagoy and the state to Mindanao. And then I will update, and it said personal information has been updated in the database. When I look at in my database, it's been updated, Claire to Mangahoy and Mindanao. So if I delete Dawn, I want to delete Dawn, Claire, and then Dawn, research, and then I want to delete this person, delete, and this person has been deleted. And then we look at in this, as execute, it says, oh, it shows that it's been deleted. Next, I will show the data set. This is my data grid, list box and combo box, text box, and 6 buttons. First, I'm gonna load people in my data grid, and this is the people I have in my database. So now I want to insert Joy, Tabago, Manila, Luzon, Mindanao, 8311, and county Philippines, and 63. And then email address is joy@yahoo.com. So I will insert Joy, insert. So Joy has been added, and then after that I want to save it in the database. So Joy has been added in the database and load. So when I look at in my database, Joy has been added in the database. Now I want to update Cherry. Cherry. So here, Claire. So I will click Cherry, and then I want to update the address to marketplace, and then Kent. So I want to update only the address and cities, and then update. Row has been updated, and then here it's already marketplace and Kent. So I want to save this in my database. So I expect that in my database is also changes here, and yep, it's changed. Now I want to delete a person in my data, this one. So now I want to delete a person, like I want to delete Glynette here, Glynette. So I want to delete the record, and it says Glynette deleted, and then save in the database. So when I look at my database, it shows that execute. So Glynette is gone. Now that I already showed the dataset insert, update, and delete, I want to show my image. So this is my image data set. I want to put my pictures, so I want to grab it to my desktop and photos. So I will open, and then it goes to my picture box. I want to save this in my database. So it says image has been added in the database. So when I look at to my execute, I have one file already here that I just added. It was empty before now, and if I want to try one more save, I have already two. So when I look at in the image, it's already two. Now I want to retrieve, I want to show my picture that come from the database already. So when I click this, it shows here this is getting it from the database. So I showed the three buttons that open the forms. Now I wanna show the code. Exit. Okay. So now this is my middle. First I'm gonna show the insert, update, delete, customer information database. For the insert, this is my code. This is my class, and this is the middle tier and insert customer that I got it, and this is from the middle tier. So in the middle tier, I have in the middle tier first, let's say I have insert customer. So here in the middle tier, I have insert customer. Get info. This is my insert customer. This is my insert customer code. And then this is my update customer code. And this is my delete customer code. And also this is my, I have a research button, and I have three method that I use. So this is the first method, the code, and then this is my get customer. This is also the code to research, to search a person and then populate the text box. And also I have the get customer info. This is the code from, I will show it, and then that's the code for my research of persons. So here's the code for the insert in my form, and also here, and for the update, this is for the button update. This is the code, and this is my class. This is the class customer, I made it, and this is also middle tier, and I call the method. And for the delete, this is clearing my text boxes, and this is the code for delete. This is my middle tier, and delete, calling that method. And then the data set, this is my data grid. I have a code here for the text. Every time I click from the data grid, I populate the text boxes. This is the code to populate the text boxes. And then I have the load data set. This is the code. I have DST Dazzler empty return customer. This is from that middle tier return customer. So here is my return customer. This is my code for return customer, and this is my SQL command, my SQL data adapter, and my data set, Dazzler. And this is a return customer, and this is the code. And deleting also the customer, I have stored procedure. I use stored procedure, and SQL command builder. This is the code, and also to update my database, it says save dataset. This is empty update Dazzler database. This is the table. So I have the method here. This is the code for updating my to put my information from the dataset to database. So first in the customer, I almost forgot, but in the customer, this is the rubric C. It's inserting and updating, insert, update, delete customer information from the database. This is rubric C, and rubric B is combination in my data set. I have here, it's all combination. So for my return customer, this one is populated my data grade also, and delete the person, and I should in my combo box to the data grid, it shows here the row. This is all the last name, so it shows about the row. So then this is the combo box that I populated. First I'm going to, so the in my data set, in my form data sets, it combination by rubric B and rubric E. And also the method is, I put it in the same method, so I use the return customer. So this is the return customer here. Oh, this is the data set here. So in the middle there, I have the customer, return customer. So, and to populate also the combo box, I use the return customer. And next is this is my code to populate the combo box, and I use also the middle tier and return customer. And the extra points, I have a form called data image. So here I have two picture box, and I have data grade that populated with the file name. So when I click the file name, it shows it, I mean, when I click the image name, it shows the pictures in this picture box. So yes, now that I showed my project, I demonstrate the rubric C, I demonstrated the rubric B, I demonstrated the rubric A, and also I demonstrated how to add an image to the database, and also how to retrieve it. To show that I retrieve it, the file from the database, I showed it in the data grid, this data grid, and also when I click it, I will display in this text picture box. This is my project, and I hope I explained it pretty well. Thank you so much.